It's really easy to stress out about temperatures of your meats when you're grilling or roasting, or even when you're baking or frying. But with something like this, which is an instant read thermometer, you don't need to worry or guess. I'm a professional chef, so I'm used to using the old-fashioned thermometer with the dial, but this is absolutely foolproof. I love it, and I've gotten really spoiled using it. Let me just show you super quickly how it works. It's really easy. So all you do is pull it open like this in order for it to activate. You can see here that the numbers are really big, and there's a great backlight feature. And then there's buttons here that you easily push on just to change. You can go between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And then whatever you measure the temperature of, this center button here is your hold button. So let me just show you again. Just pull this out. This is your hold button. So if you hit this, it's going to hold the temperature of whatever it is that you're cooking that you just measured. I love the size of the numbers here. It's super easy to read, and for anyone that isn't sure what temperatures are the right temperatures for cooked meats, there's a little guide right here on the top of the thermometer. Another great little perk is that it sticks to metal surfaces, so you can keep it on your refrigerator or wherever else you like in your kitchen. I think every kitchen needs an instant read thermometer, and I highly recommend you give this one a try.